Hey everyone, it's Yoslyn and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make clothes that look like they're from Brandy Melville when they're really not, and they were a lot cheaper. So without further ado, let's get started. This craft, I just got a black crew neck, and I also got a black t-shirt. I'm holding it upside down, but I got a black t-shirt. And then I got iron-ons because this is what's going to make your clothing look like it's from Brandy Melville. Tell me this does not look like the Brandy Melville butterfly. It looks exactly the same. This was like $3, and then I also got this, and it's just a really cute design. So I'm going to be using those on these shirts. This shirt, it's inside out because I tried it on, but it's from Walmart, and it is a size medium, so a size 8 in little boys. So I also got this one. I don't know which one I like more, but I got 3 of the butterflies just because you can literally put these on anything. I'll tell you guys how much everything was. So I have the receipt right here. So this was $3.49, and same thing for the butterflies. They were $3.49, and this was actually kind of expensive. It was $15, but I got it on sale for $10 because I had a coupon. And this one was $5, $4.49. So yeah, that's the prices for this. And then, like I said, this one was $3 in the child's section. I decided that I'm gonna use this one on one of the t-shirts, and I'm gonna use this one on this, just because Brandy Melville has a hoodie that looks exactly like this. So I'm gonna do this one on here. I'm gonna get a Sharpie. You're not gonna be able to see it because it's black, but I'm gonna do a little line just so I know where I want to iron it. I have my line of where I want the butterfly to be, so I'm just gonna place it there, as you guys can see. And then you're gonna want a piece of fabric. I'm just using this one to kind of press it. So when you press on the iron-on, make sure you're pressing hard on it so that it actually gets stuck. Excuse my not painted nail. Let's just ignore that. But 1, 2. Then once it's cool to the touch, you can flip it over or inside out and do it to the other side. Then this one you're gonna press longer, so it says to press for 20 to 25 seconds. So I'm gonna count. So I gotta wait till it's cool to the touch. Then I'm gonna flip it, and then I'm gonna do the front again. I'm doing it twice just because I want to be extra sure. Chocolate almonds. Oh my gosh. Like 15 chocolate almonds later. I ironed on the back, and I'm just waiting for it to cool down now so I can flip it. This is the finished crew neck. I'm gonna try it on and I'll show you guys, but it literally looks like it can be from Brandy Melville. Like, I'll put somewhere on the screen Brandy Melville's, and then this one. I don't know, look pretty similar. Here's a sweatshirt. Now, let's get on to our next thing. But now we're gonna work on the white sweatshirt with this little flag thing. So like I said, I got this for $5 at a clothing store. You can go to Joann's, get a white one. It's the same thing, but I just have this one with the strings. And yeah, so now we're gonna do the exact same thing to this one. As you can see, I have my 2 little markings. And then that's going to tell me where to put both my flags. Show you guys as much as I can. I don't have a tripod, so when I'm filming this, I'm just putting my camera wherever. So get the fabric, and then push down for... Oh my gosh. This video didn't take forever to edit. I've just been sitting here eating almonds. Okay, so I flipped it inside out. We're gonna do the back, which is 20 to 25 seconds. And okay, so the front of the iron-on is 10 to 15 seconds, and then when you do the back, it is 20 to 25 seconds. So I have the shirt from Joann's on right now, and this one's actually gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna be cropping it. Brandy Melville shirts aren't this long. I folded it. They aren't this long. So I'm gonna cut it. I like my shirts longer, so I'm gonna cut it about right here. Just like that. Make a little tiny hole and then just take the shirt off and then cut straight across. So I'm gonna put it right here, like that. And then I'm gonna get the little piece of fabric, fold it, and then hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds. I'm not gonna record myself doing the shirt just because it's the exact same process, so I'll get back to you when the shirt's all done. So now that I've finished all my shirts and sweaters, I'm gonna show you how much it costed me to make it and how much it cost in Brandy Melville. We have this with the little butterfly on it. Then we have the cropped t-shirt version, so it just has the little butterfly on. And then lastly, we have the white sweatshirt with the 2 little flags on it. This one I think is really cute in my opinion. Somewhere on the screen was the price comparisons. But yeah, that's it for this video. And if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!